So today's video is a VR30 install. It's gonna be a part 1. This was more like of just us messing around, kind of not messing around, but it's more of a chill video compared to the part 2. Part 2 is gonna be more in detail. It's gonna be, I've had some issues with the car, like I was missing a part, so I had to order it, and it still isn't installed. By the time I post this video, I'm pretty sure it will be installed. I don't know yet. But yeah, this first video is just a chill video, just chilling at the shop, taking things apart. But then part 2 will be like more in detail. I promise once this car is done, I'm gonna get ride along videos, races, whatever you guys want. You got the trans and the drive shaft. Got my car. Shit. So right now we're doing we took out the drive shaft. We took off the lines for the transmission and everything, or the headers, and now we're just taking off this transmission. Yeah, I think we got it loosened on the flex plate part, but yeah. I ain't gonna show his face, but we got the boy Dash G37 on the meat, bruh. Sheesh. Look at this shit. It made 214, right? Peep that. It made with no trans. Let me know where they do that. So the issue was the trans is out. Everything is out. It's a shifter, like I said. We're gonna try to I have to go get the part from the dealer. The transmission is out. This is the old one. The new one is still over there. I need a freaking shifter link from the Q50 transmission, and they didn't give it to me. So now I gotta go to the dealer, get my shifter link, and I'm hella mad because the car should have been running today, but you know, things happen.
When your axles break,